Hi, third grade. Today's the big day. We're going to be wrapping up Unit 8 of Fundations. So let's get ready. STLE, castle, soul. TION, vacation, shun. SION, mansion, shun. SION, television, jun. TCH, catch, ch. CH, chin, ch. A, Alaska, I, animal, or I. U, up, ING, ring, ing. Nice job. Okay, before we take our Unit 8 assessment, I want to build a few words of the day that we had here in Unit 8 to review our rules. The first word I want to build with you is stable. Say it. Stable. How do we spell the first syllable? Stay. Right. S-T-A. And how do we spell bull? Is it a consonant L-E or is it a schwa? It is a consonant, bull, L-E. Very good. And just to refresh your memory real quick, to mark a word like this, you're going to scoop the syllables. We know stay is open, and we know this one is our consonant L-E with the silent E crossed off at the end. Excellent. Good job. The next word I want to practice, the base word is settle. The whole word is settling. Say it. Settling. Settle. How do we spell it? Set is S-E-T, right? And tool, there's another consonant, T-L-E. Now, when you have a consonant L-E and you're attaching a vowel suffix to make a word like settling, do you remember the rule? Right, you drop the E and add ing. And when you go to mark it, settle, you drop that E, but you can insert it right up there to remind yourself that that was a consonant LE syllable. Okay, and circle your suffix as always. Set is closed. Now, if we were to make that word say settlement, we would make sure that you wouldn't drop the E, right? Because meant is a consonant suffix, and you don't have to drop the E when you attach a consonant suffix. All right, let's just do one more. Okay, the most recent word we had was confusion. Say it. Confusion. Few is that open syllable with the long U. And now, I guess I need another syllable for my third syllable. Jeune. There's only one option. It's S-I-O-N, television, jeune. Whoopsie. Why is it not liking this? Huh. Won't let me grab that one, will it? Let's try. Hold on. There it goes. Had a double click. Okay, now when you mark a word like this, confusion, just scoop the syllables and box in any glued sounds. All right, now it is time to get out your composition book. You're going to turn open to page, let's see, in the back where we have our unit tests. We took Unit 7 was on page 74 and 75, so that means we need to turn open to pages 76 and 77. Again, that's page 76 and 77. Go ahead and get yourself ready, and we'll start here in a second. All right, so on the top of page 76, please write today's date, and where it says test for unit number, go ahead and put an 8 for me. All right. Sound number 1. Shun. Say it. Shun. 2 things. Pause the video and go. Sound number 2. Ch. Say it. 2 things. Go. All right, the next row. Sound number 3 is Say it. 3 things. Go ahead. Sound number 4 is soul. Say it. Soul. 1 sound card. All right, move down to the sound-alike words. Word number 1 is principal. Say it. Principal. I like the principal in our school. Principal. Just spell it. Word number 2, wear. Say it. Wear. What will you wear to the party? Okay, next row. Sound-alike word number 3 is where. Say it. Where. Where are you going? And sound-alike word number 4 is weak. Say it. Weak. I felt weak when I was sick. Okay, go down to our word section. We have 5 words. This is the big part. You want to make sure you're spelling them correctly and marking them. So if there's a S-I-O-N or T-I-O-N glued sound, you're going to box those in. Okay, you need to underline the K spelling. Okay, so if there's a K, circle suffixes and underline digraphs if you see them. And you're just going to scoop and mark the consonant LE syllables. Okay, so your first word is raffle. Say it. Raffle. I really hope I win the raffle basket. Raffle. Spell it and mark it. Scoop your syllables and mark the syllable types. Okay, move across to word number 2. Tickled. Say it. Tickled. I tickled my nephew's toes until he laughed so hard he cried. Tickled. Make sure you're circling the suffix on that one and marking your syllable types. Okay, number 3. Hustle. Say it. Hustle. Our coach told us to hustle out onto the field. Hustle. Again, scoop your syllables and tell me what types they are. Number 4, prevention. Prevention. At my fire and safety prevention class, we learned to stop, drop, and roll to prevent from getting burned. Prevention. And number 5, explosion. Say it. Explosion. The explosion was extremely loud. Explosion. Make sure you're boxing in any glued sounds and use your tools if you need to. All right, moving over to page 77 for your sentences. Sentence number 1 is, could James have riding instruction on the saddle? I'll say it again. Could James, that's a name, have riding instruction on the saddle? One more time. Could James have riding instruction on the saddle? You'll get a point for could. That's your trick word. Riding, follow the rules. Instruction, and saddle. So that sentence is worth 4 points. Could James have riding instructions on the saddle? Check capitalization, punctuation, and scoop it up. Sentence number 2. At the explosion, comma, Wendy dropped the beautiful candlesticks. That's it. At the explosion, comma, Wendy, that's a name, dropped the beautiful candlesticks. You will be getting a point for explosion, beautiful, candle. At the explosion, Wendy dropped the beautiful candlesticks. Check for punctuation, capitalization, and scoop it up. All right, third grade, thanks for working so hard throughout Unit 8. I'll see you next time to start Unit 9. Bye-bye.